one is equipped with all kinds of tricks to survive. You will be surprised to know that the largest animals of the oceans, such as whales, consume tons of phytoplanktons each day to keep themselves alive. These phytoplanktons form the base of every food chain the ocean has. Other organisms that make up the biodiversity of the oceans are large fishes such as tuna, swordfish, and sharks. Small fishes such as stonefish, remoras, reptiles such as turtles, mammals such as dolphins, and invertebrates such as sponges, corals, jellyfish, starfish, sea fans, crabs, and octopuses. The ocean contains approximately 230,000 identified species. And it is an assumption that some 2 million marine species yet to be documented. How did that stone move? That is not a stone. It is a live creature resembling a stone. It is called stonefish to be more precise. It camouflages itself by taking the appearance of a rock or coral and blending in with them, sitting close to them at the bottom of the ocean. It is the most venomous fish known to the world. People, while swimming in the open oceans, often mistake it to be just another pebble and step on it. The pressure applied by one's foot causes it to release a neurotoxic substance from its gland. This toxin is very powerful and causes unbearable pain and paralysis, which, if neglected, can lead to the death of the individual. Despite their venomous spines, these fish are still edible if prepared properly. Amazing, isn't it? What happened to this fish? Suddenly, why did this fish swim so fast, as if somebody's after its life? Oh, yes, an octopus is chasing this fish. Oops, it's a bad day for the octopus. The stonefish succeeded in saving its life. Octopuses are marine animals famous for their rounded bodies and 8 long arms. They are among the most highly evolved invertebrates. They possess long-term and short-term memories similar to vertebrates and pass their personality traits onto their offsprings. Octopuses are the best example of exhibiting camouflage. They are the genetic marvels by possessing 10,000 more genes than humans. Hey, see this turtle. Did you find any resemblance between its mouth and a hawk's beak? This is a hawksbill sea turtle. It is named for its long, narrow head and their hawk-like beak. Not only are they slender, graceful, and beautiful, but the hawksbill turtle can glow. The hawksbill turtle is the only known reptile to be biofluorescent. They can glow yellow, pink, orange, red, green, or purple. Did you know that these tree-like or finger-like structures are nothing but animals? They are the primitive multicellular aquatic animals that lack a definite nervous system, digestive system, circulatory systems, and musculature. They also do not show conspicuous movements of body parts. Sponges may have a skeleton of spicules, which makes them difficult to digest if eaten by another organism. Hence, generally, sponges are not eaten by other organisms. However, hawksbill sea turtles are known to eat sponges. You must be thinking that this netted structure is some kind of plant found in the ocean bottom. To your surprise, this is also an animal. This is called a sea fan. Sea fans are a type of soft coral that is often found in warm waters and around reefs. There are also soft corals that live in deep waters. These are colonial animals that have a beautiful branching structure that is covered by soft tissue. One of the interesting facts about the sea fan is that it hosts other marine life. Hidden in the branches of this soft coral lives one of the smallest invertebrates. Let us go a little closer to observe the invertebrate. It is a pygmy seahorse. Its size is about 3/4 of an inch. The small size of the pygmy seahorse makes it very hard for them to live alone. They attach to a host, such as soft corals, to survive. This is how they can survive, since they can't swim well and they're too small to handle the water currents. Without an anchor, the underwater ecosystem has many interesting examples of interaction between different organisms. One such example is the shark and remora association. The remora fish attaches to the belly of the shark by a sucker disc in its mouth. It travels everywhere the shark goes. It eats any parasite on the shark, which helps keep the shark clean. By doing so, it establishes a symbiotic association with sharks. The remora or suckerfish gets to eat and the shark stays clean and healthy. But remoras also do their share of scavenging. When sharks make a kill, the remora fish capitalize themselves by eating leftovers. Did you know that some small fish offer cleaning services to other fish? A small blue street cleaner wrasse offers a cleaning service to other reef fish by eating the surface parasites that live